Hello Capricorn, this is your quick reading. Gamit natin si Alchemical Visions Tarot. Mahirap siya balasahin. So yung card mo is... you have here the Seven of Swords. Sometimes it's not always by the book. Hindi natin kailangan sumunod lagi sa rules ng book. Kasi minsan may mga bagay na kailangan ginagamit natin yung ating judgment. Ginagamit natin yung wisdom, yung experiences natin to make the right decisions. Minsan nga, when it comes even to people around you, hindi mo dapat basehan kung gaano mo katagal kilala isang tao to fully trust someone. You need to go deep. You need to dig deeper. Go beyond sa nakikita mo. Go beyond sa nararamdaman mo. Find the facts. Find the truth. And from there, doon ka gagawa ng mga next major decisions mo on what you're going to do to alter the course of your life to somewhere that deserve mo para sa sarili mo. I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo. I'll see you on our next video.